welcome back. Oh, excuse the frog. God, that's like straight off. My Lookfantastic box has arrived. Oh, excuse me. I have no idea where that's come from. I've been drinking tea all morning. Like I said, my Lookfantastic box has arrived and I'm really excited to be diving into this one. This is slightly different this month. I'll explain as we dive in. But if you're new here, hello, my name is Amy and today I have a froggy voice. If you'd please consider hitting the subscribe button before you leave and come and join our YouTube family. We are a lovely bunch. With that being said, pop the kettle on, pull up a chair and let's go. Last time I'm going to mention it, I do apologise for the frog. I have no idea where that's come from. My throat has been fine all morning. Lookfantastic. I'm really excited for this one. It's in, they've collaborated with the influencer Rosie Connolly, and I understand that as we dive into this, it's slightly different. This is our leaflet this month and we've got a QR code. So the magazine is actually online, which is quite cool. So I'll be opening it up with my phone in a moment. If you're unaware or if you've not come across Lookfantastic before, they are a beauty website. They sell so many different kinds of products from so many different brands. And as part of their service, they do a monthly subscription box. I will put all the details down below on how much I pay and all the kind of bits and bobs like that, because we just want to dive into this box. So yeah, I'm really excited. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a sneaky peek first. Comes like this, all nice and sealed in tissue paper. And this one feels a bit weighty, so you know, I'm intrigued as to what's in here. Ooh, there we go. There's your cheeky sneak peek. Hold it up a bit higher so you can all see it. I'm very excited. Right, so let's read kind of what it says on here. It says, to our lovely beauty box subscribers, we hope you love this month's beauty box in collaboration with the influencer Rosie Connolly. In order to bring you the best magazine possible this August, filled with lots of content from Rosie herself, we made the decision to make the magazine digital only. To read it, simply scan the QR code below with your phone camera. Enjoy. Love, the beauty box team. So there we go, we've got our QR code here. So I'm going to open up my camera, scan this in. Yep, and it says open the hut group on the top. Sorry, I've just shown you me there. Let's go. And there we go. There's the magazine on here, which is quite cool. But my battery's sitting on 13%, so we will see how long it lasts. I'm just going to skip through to our sneak peek of next month. There is a lot of products in here, and there's a product that I absolutely love. Oh, we got Rosie's top picks in here. How to fake a facelift. Yeah, this is definitely well worth checking out. I will have a good read of this later. Now I'm going to show you what's coming up for next month. This is our first sneak peek, so if you don't want to see it, close your eyes now. I'm hoping you're going to be able to see this okay, as it's on the phone. So there we go. I'm hoping that's coming across okay. If not, when I'm editing, I will just type above what it is, so you'll be able to see it, but you won't be able to hear it, which is cool. Right, I'm just going to skip through to where these products are, so I'll be able to give you some more information on them. They've got a segment on turmeric, which is quite cool. Right, here we go. I'm going to dive into the first item, and this was the sneak peek from last month, and this is the Ciate Glow to Illuminating Blush. Now, is there a shade on here? I think this is a mini. If I can get it out of the box, that would help. There is what the packaging looks like. This is really cute. I think it's called Matchmaker, the shade. Such cute. This is really travel friendly. And there we go. That is what it looks like. I think that is definitely right up my street. I absolutely love blush. So I'm going to give this a swatch. And there we go. On my little middle finger. So it's a nice kind of glowy blush. Oh yeah, that's a lovely shade. I do like that. It's very smooth as well, very soft. It's kind of blending out. It is very glowy, so I might use that as a blush topper rather than a blush on its own. But we will refer to the magazine. This is so strange reading off my phone. And see what Lookfantastic have said about it. Where are we? There we are. It says, get a natural flush of colour and an enviable glow with this marble illuminating blusher. With a lightweight finish, it's ideal for any no makeup looks, whilst being buildable for something more full coverage. And it says, swirl your favourite blush brush into the product, tap off any excess and swirl onto the cheeks. That's cool. I like that. Now the next item, this is really intriguing me. It's from the brand Glow, and it's a mask remover. It says for effortless beauty, mask off. So this is something that when you use clay masks or kind of like cream masks, you will use this to take it off instead of like your normal either washcloth or a reusable makeup remover. This is quite cool. We've got a pocket so we can pop our hand in. I've got to smell it. It doesn't really smell of anything. I'm sorry, I have to smell everything. I can't help it. So yeah, I like this. Lovely colour. Got a nice tag here with the brand, and you can hang it up if you wish. I will pop this in with my clay masks. I think, because there's a mask that I want to try out, it's a potted one, for a Mask Monday. So I think I might try this out with the mask at the same time. I think that would be very interesting. It might be quite messy with like a bowl of water in front of me on camera, but I will give it a go. And Lookfantastic, what have they said about it? If I can find it. It's the only trouble with kind of like scrolling through something like this. Where is it? There it is. It says a polyester fibre cloth specially designed to quickly and effectively remove the product residue from the skin surface. Its fibres don't absorb any product, making the cloth easy to clean after use and aren't rough on the skin, so they do not cause any irritation. So that's cool. And it says you wet the cloth with warm water and cover the face until your skin feels flushed. Using circular motions, cleanse the skin in circular motions. Okay, they've said that twice. It's reusable and machine washable. So that's cool. I'm very interested to be trying that one out. I'm just going to pop it in front of me. The next item, we have a sheet mask, and it's from the brand AHC, and it's a natural essential mask. It says it's aqua nourishing. It's nourishing and hydrating. It says its skin type is for dry and rough skin. I've got rough skin, so that would be quite cool. And it says it's hydrolyzed vegetable protein, has soya bean protein in it as well, and it's a soft sheet, 100% natural cotton, so that's cool. I'm pretty sure AHC are a Korean skincare brand, and what they've done on the back is they've stuck a sticker on which has got quite a lot of English on it, which is quite cool. I quite like that, so then at least you'll be able to kind of read all about it. And this one, you would cleanse your skin, always pop a toner on, and this one on the back says you leave it to 10 to 20 minutes, so that is cool. Oh, what have we got here? Oh, I could never pronounce this brand. I do apologise. It's from the brand AHAVA, and it's a soothing body lotion, and it's superfood, kale and turmeric. So this is quite cool. It'd be nice to get a new body lotion. Oh, this one isn't sealed. I'm going to have to pop it on the other hand. Still got blush on this one. I've forgotten my reusable makeup wipe this morning, so I'll just have to wash my hands afterwards. There we go. This is what it looks like. I'm hoping I can smell it. Does that smell of anything? Oh yeah, I'm getting quite a light fragrance from that. Yeah. I don't know if I can smell kale, but I can smell something kind of fruity or vegetable related. That's absorbed in really fast. A little bit tacky, but that's okay. So that would be perfect if you kind of just need to get clothes on quick, because it's just, that's dried. Yeah, it's quite light. I can smell kind of like fruit, which is a bit, yeah, a bit strange. Bear in mind it's kale. But let's give you some more information. Have to dig it up again. Right, and it says it's a hydrating body lotion infused with superfoods, kale and turmeric. Now I can't really smell the turmeric, but there's definitely something fruity to it. To moisturise the skin and revive the senses. Its formula protects the skin from premature aging and while soothing and deeply nourishing. And it says massage a generous amount into slightly damp skin post bath or shower, which is cool. Now the next item we have is from the brand Living Proof, and it's the Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. And it said it actually cleans hair, eliminates oil, sweat and odour, which is quite cool. There's 92 mils in here, so that's not a bad size. I'll give this a go. I'm not a massive user of dry shampoo, but I will try this one out. And let's see what Lookfantastic have said. And they said, this weightless silicone-free formula provides an added boost to your hair between washes whilst improving the appearance and freshens up your locks from root to tip. This all-in-one spray is ideal for all hair colours and harnesses the brand's triple action cleaning technology to absorb oil, sweat and odour. Shake well, hold the canister 6 to 10 inches away from dry hair and then apply dry shampoo. So that's quite cool. I will give this a go. My hair could actually probably do with some of it today, so I'll give that a go. And the last item, I've received this before, and I gave it to my mum, so I'm going to keep this one and try it out. It's from the brand Percy and Reed, and it is the Hold It Right There Strong Hold Hairspray. This is so cute. It's like a nice little travel friendly size. Does it say how big it is? No, it just says danger, it's highly flammable as it's an aerosol, so please be careful. I will give you some more information on that one. And Lookfantastic have said, an essential for every woman's beauty, or man's, because men wear hairspray too. The humidity resistant Percy and Reed Hold It Right There Strong Hold Hairspray is the complete tool for a volumizing hairstyle that lasts all day and night. Free from chemical scents, the hairspray provides added lift to any style whilst discouraging frizz and flyaways. Well, I could do with that because I get frizz and flyaways all the time. Hold the can 20 centimetres away from the hair and gently mist over your style. And they have an expert tip, and it says to achieve more hair volume, hold your head upside down, shake your hair while spraying, which is quite cool. I like their kind of little expert tips. And my phone battery lasted through that, yay! And we've got loads of little purple squiggies. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this box. I'm just going to gather up everything we've got. So what do we have here? We've got 6 items. So I'm just leaning forwards to grab the last 2. We've got 6 items here: a sheet mask, a mask removing cloth, which is absolutely fabulous. We've got a body lotion, we've got dry shampoo, and we've got hairspray and a blush. So we've got an absolute mixture of everything: skincare, hair care, body care, makeup, a tool. Absolutely fabulous. Well done, Lookfantastic. I love it when they kind of just put a little bit of everything in there all together, and I really like the way they kind of put the tools in that you really wouldn't think of picking up, because I just love them, all of them. Right, now I need some tea, because I'm going to try and get rid of this frog on my throat. I'm now about to sit down and record my glossy box, so yeah, you'll have to keep your eyes peeled for that. So what did you think of this month's box? And if you get this month's box, what you kind of thought of it as well. Thank you for joining me again today, and I hope to see you again soon. In the meantime, lovelies, please take care. Bye bye.